Essie here reporting for Kids News. Today we have come to Great Barrier Island to cover the annual Manu competition.
Go!
There are age groups between little kids and seniors and everything in between. Today we are going to find out who can do the meanest Manus on our tier. Let's find out.
Let's go.
Why are you joining today?
Because my friends were talking about it and it sounded really cool, so I wanted to be a part of it.
What is the perfect body type for doing Manus?
I'm not quite sure. When you do a Manu, you can do your own twist to it, but usually you got to make your body like a V and like that, and have your hands over your knees.
Local hero Thomas is awesome at Manus.
Kia ora, my name is Thomas and I managed to take out the Manu comp on Aotea. I reckon just have confidence. Just don't worry about how high it is and then just focus on your position when you tuck in the water.
What's it like performing to a big audience?
Quite scary, but I just focus on where I'm jumping and stuff, so I just block them out kinda.
And what makes you a good Manua?
Don't think about it too much, otherwise you get stressed and then you start worrying, so I reckon just jump and do what you think looks right.
What do you think the perfect body type is for doing Manus?
Having a bit of weight, which is not me.
What do you love about joining this bombing competition?
Seeing all my mates and just having fun.
What would you look like if you were showing them support your mates?
Yeah!
Who are you here today with?
My family and friends, and with my horse, of course.
And Mr. Horse, what do you enjoy about Manu?
I just like horsing around a lot.
No animals were harmed in this competition. So how often do you do Manus with your horse?
We come down here a lot. We've been practicing for a long time.
At the end of the day, jumping off the wharf was the winner. And this guy.
My name's Will and I won the Manu comp. I've winded myself, but it was really cool. Hey, it wasn't the perfect Manu, but I still got first place. Well done it.
Wow, it has been an amazing day. The Manu comp has raised money for the young people on the island. I'm Essie, reporting for Kids News. Hi, Keith! Thanks to New Zealand On Air.